Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a delicious chicken curry. It's gonna be an authentic chicken curry full of flavors. I'm gonna serve this curry with rice. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, let's prep all the ingredients for our chicken curry. Here I've got red onion. You want to thinly slice it. And I'll just make a paste of garlic, ginger, chili. It's always best to use fresh paste for your chicken curry. Go ahead, some of the green chilies. You can use more or less depending on your liking. If anything is large, just cut them into small pieces. And just a light touch of water so we can blend. Here I've got fresh tomatoes. You want to remove the skin and then finely chop them. For the spices, I'm using a red chili. Again, you can use more or less depending on your liking. Go ahead, some of the turmeric, salt. Set that aside. In another plate, freshly grounded coriander powder, cumin, and some of the black pepper. That's all we're gonna use for our spices. We're keeping it nice and simple. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn up the heat to on medium high. I'm using a stainless steel pan here. Go in with a good touch of oil. When nice and hot, in with your onions. You want to break down those onions and get a nice brown color on them. Almost like an almond color we're looking for. Just cover for a few minutes to soften them up a bit. Make sure to move them around. Get an even color on all those onions, alright. Now go in with our ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Again, we want to cook the rawness of that paste. Give a few more minutes. And you really want to kill the smell of the garlic. Everything should come together. In a minute we can deglaze it with a touch of water, but for now just brown it. Exactly what we're looking for. Everything is melting away. I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt in there. Now go in with our tomatoes. A good mix to that again. And now we want to soften up those tomatoes. Alright, quick mix to that. Everything's evenly distributed. Cover it for 3-4 minutes. Heat on low now. Alright, let's check this. It smells really good. Tomatoes are nice and soft. Exactly what we're looking for. I put the heat back to medium high. Oh, it smells so good. You know, those amazing tomatoes. The ginger, garlic, onions. Awesome. Here with our red chili, turmeric and salt. And now you want to cook the rawness of those spices, alright? In a second we might need to deglaze again. If needed, of course. Oh, just look at that. Beautiful. We were looking for that sizzle. The problem these days is people use a lot of spicy but they don't toast them properly. You can never have a really nice chicken curry until your spices are not toasted. And everything is not cooked to perfection like so. Don't throw everything in the pan, you know? Everything needs to be cooked in steps. Deglaze with a light touch of water. It also ensures, you know, our spices are not burning. Now we can see the oil has started to separate. That's exactly what we're looking for. Beautiful. Amazing. Now for the chicken I'm using thighs. You could also use breast instead. It has been washed and cleaned. Give it a good mix. You want to reduce the heat to around low medium now. What we want to do is, we're gonna cover this and let the chicken release the water. Now just cover it for 5 minutes. Alright, it's time to check this. Bismillah. Now you can see the chicken has started to release the water. We're gonna give this a quick mix. We want to cook the chicken in those juices. In a minute we're gonna cover this again. Just want to make sure nothing is sticking to the pan. Wow, it smells really good in the kitchen. You know, one of the best chicken curry that you guys gonna try. Again, cover this 7 minutes this time. The heat is same as before. Alright, let's check this again. Bismillah. You can see the chicken has released all the water. Now you want to cook and reduce this. Let this cook until the oil starts to separate. It smells so good, you know, trust me. One of the best chicken curry that you guys gonna try. When it has reduced a bit, I'm gonna throw in some of the green chilies. These are totally optional, you don't have to use them. But it's a really nice aroma, you know. And now we can start to see the oil has started to separate. That's exactly what we're looking for. And you will wonder, where is all the sauce? What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some water into that. You can add more or less depending on how much gravy you like. You wanna fry up this mixture on a medium-high heat. Just let the oil separate completely. So mouth-watering, trust me. You wanna really fry up that mixture now. You have to keep on stirring this, alright? Exactly what we're looking for. Amazing. And now we're going in with the water. Deglaze this properly. Like I said before, you can add more or less water depending on your liking, and you need to adjust the seasoning accordingly. Now once you've added the water, just bring it to simmer again and check for any seasoning. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. I don't want it too thick. It's a bit runny. Now I'm just gonna throw in some of the black pepper, coriander, and cumin powder on the top. A really good mixture of that. And now just turn off the heat. Add in some of the fresh coriander on the top and leave it cover for a few minutes before serving. Just look at that. So beautiful. Our mouth-watering chicken curry done. We're going to serve our chicken curry with boiled rice. Add a good pinch of salt in water, and here I'm using crushed green cardamom pods. Now in with our washed basmati rice. You want to let this cook until there is some water left. Or when there's some water left, I'm going to throw in some of the black cumin seeds. Just mix that in. And now just turn the heat to low. You want to cover it with a clean kitchen cloth. Place your lid, and you want to let this steam for around 15 minutes. The heat is on low, like I said. Alright, now the rice are beautifully steaming. Let's check this. Bismillah. Turn off the heat. Now I'm just gonna carefully fluff them up. Oh, the aroma is amazing. Beautiful, look at those. Now you can throw a touch of butter in there or some oil. Our fragrant boiled rice done. Alright guys, let's plate this up. First we're going in with our rice, and finally our mouth-watering chicken curry goes on the top. Our amazing chicken curry with rice done. Honestly, you guys gonna absolutely love this. Alright guys, I'm gonna try our chicken curry. It looks so delicious. Let's dig in straight. You can also serve it with some of the naan bread and salad, but today I'm keeping it real simple. Bismillah. Wow. Wallah, that is so delicious. The gravy is just perfect, you know. The chicken is still nice and juicy. Like I said before, one of the best chicken curry that you guys gonna try. Honestly, this is cooked to perfection. Really nice, authentic flavors. That's exactly what we were looking for. I really hope you guys will enjoy this chicken curry with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.